Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove a Google account to your Android 15 beta device. Let's go to settings, and the first thing I'll remove the account and then add it back again. So to do it, first in settings, go to passwords, passkeys and accounts. Then choose an account you want to remove. You can have multiple Google accounts on one device. Let's remove the account. So click on it and then press on remove account again to confirm. OK. And now you'll need to verify it's you with your fingerprint or pattern or password, whatever you have set up. And now to add account, again in settings, passwords, passkeys and accounts, add an account, click on Google. Now verify it's you and enter the email. This is the email, and enter the password. I'm gonna do it off camera. OK. Press on next. I agree. And then accept. Now you are logged into your Google account. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.